Hi everyone, this is another axonometric question. This is from the higher or the ordinary level in 2013. Okay, so it's very similar to the last video that I did. I just speeded it all up. I put in my triangle in the middle, my equilateral triangle. Again, you're given the distance from A to B, your angles being 60 degrees, so that's pretty simple to do. Okay, the distance from here to here is 106. Okay, now I've gone back at 30 degrees from C and A. I've gone back a distance of 90 mil, and I've gone down a distance of 90 mil as well. Okay, so the very simple thing here, guys, is that we do first of all is we'll take 30 degrees now from B. Okay, take 30 degrees from A. Okay, these are the axonometric axes, and straight down from C. Okay, so they all meet up with each other. Now I'm going to extend this from B now all the way across. Okay, at that point, guys, we'll draw our semicircle. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same at the bottom. Extend this down. And drawing our semicircle down here as well. Using the semicircles now, guys, we can quickly put in our axes to draw our elevation and our plan. Okay, this is going to be like this. And down here we'll be at 45 degrees. So you can see from the question, okay, there's two very simple shapes to draw, the elevation and the plan. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video now and I'm going to draw these in. You should have no problem drawing them in with the information that you've got now. Okay guys, so it's very quickly and easily drawn, the two of them views there. Okay, so the next thing to do now is a small bit of labeling, and then obviously you're bringing them straight up and you're bringing them back 30 degrees. It's quite simple, very similar to the question we did yesterday. Okay, so first of all, anyway, this view here, guys, this is the elevation and this is the plan when you're looking down from above, as my phone is doing here now. The elevation though, guys, is looking in from the direction of this arrow here. So that means now I'm going to start labeling here on the inside. Okay, so I've got 1 here, 2 here, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to go back up here now. On the right hand side, here and here, they're both number 1. Number 2 is here, and this here is 3, and this here is 3 as well. Okay, so 3 and 3, 2 and 1 and 1. Okay, so it's very simple, same as yesterday. Now using our set square, I'm going to bring all these straight up first of all, my 1, 2, 3. And sorry, I forgot to label. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, same as on this side. Okay, so I'm going to concentrate on just these first ones now. 1, 2, 3 right here. Okay, up, up and straight up. Okay, I'm going to bring them back now 30 degrees. 1, we'll meet 1 above and below. 2 and 3 then in 2 different places. Okay, so if we follow everything back, guys, I have a 3 here, I have a 3 here, my number 1 is here, that should be 30 degrees, which it is. That's going straight up to here. Coming back in here. Here we go. And that's like that. So that's the start of the 3D, guys. Once it's done, it's pretty easy to work the rest of it from now. Okay, obviously I'm going to take up my 3, 2 and 1 from this side now from the plan. Take up my 3. So that's here. Take up my 2. That being there. My number 1 being here. Okay, so join them up as before. Okay, so that's the main body of that done. And now obviously we only have to put in this circular hole, or this, sorry, it's a square hole that the phone is supposed to sit down into. Okay, so how do we do that? Very simple. We have 1, 2, 3 now down here. I'm just going to bring it a bit closer for you. Okay, I'm going to label this 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so it's very simple. Go over here now. So 5 and 6 are going to be here. Okay, they're on the one line together. Okay, that point. So I'm going to bring back 5 and 6. And I'm going to bring them up from the bottom and mark where they are. Okay, so that's point 5. That's point 6. Okay. Join them there. Okay. I already have the line running from 2 to 2 along here. That's right up here. So I'm just going to straight up for 4. Bring up number 7. Okay. Join them up. So that was very simple to do, and now obviously in 3D, guys, we have to add in our depth going down. Okay, so our depth was put in hidden detail over here. Okay, so we're just going to follow it back. That line straight down from 4, that's the corner. Okay, that's the deepest part, so just mark that. So you mark that this way and that way. And that's that question done. A very simple question, guys, but it'll just keep us tipping away, and we'll start working into questions that are a bit more difficult now after this. Okay, just before you send in to me, guys, this is a simple question. Okay, even in an exam, you're going to get extra marks, guys, for shading. So try and shade it in as nicely as you can. Okay. Best of luck with it.